Hello guys, welcome to this new video. So today we are going to speak about one of the most famous pathfinding algorithms. If you want to move an NPC from point A to point B, it probably move it using a pathfinding algorithm. Whether it just moves in a straight line toward the player or runs across an entire 3D environment to get from A to B point, or even walking through walls to reach the destination, it will be always using some form of pathfinding algorithms. There are many different pathfinding algorithms such as the Dijkstra algorithm, Viterbi algorithm, or the best first search algorithm, and a lot of pathfinding algorithms. So we're gonna start with talking about the Dijkstra algorithm, which always guarantee to us the shortest path even if we have to explore a lot of nodes to give us the best path. Now let's talk about the greedy best first search algorithm. This algorithm explores less of the graph in a short time. Using the best of those algorithms, A star comes as a combination, so let's see what Wikipedia says about A star algorithm. As you see here, the A star pathfinding algorithm is based on mathematical functions, calculations, and decisions, such as f-score, g-score, and h-score. So don't be scared using those mathematical functions because it will look very simple at the end of this video. So a star algorithm is an advanced version of the Dijkstra algorithm. So let's see how it works. First, we start with exploring our neighbors, then calculate the distance from the start node, and we look for another shorter way to the graph. So g-score refers to the distance from the start. H-score refers to the estimated distance to the goal. So the f-score refers to the distance from the start added with the estimated distance to the goal. Now we're gonna see the difference between the Dijkstra pathfinding algorithm and the A-star algorithm in a practical way. So we are going to start always from a green square, which is the start point, and going to the goal. So I'm gonna show you. So the Pathfinder, we are going to start with the Dijkstra algorithm, and we're gonna see the difference. So, we're gonna start with the green square, and we are going to the red button here. So as you see, we are starting from this point and spreading on the graph, trying to look for the red point. So it's a little bit we are wasting some time here, but it's going to take some seconds to figure out where is the right map. So it's trying to cover all the map in order to find this point. So it took about 43 seconds before reaching the goal and giving us the way. So now let's try to work with the A-star algorithm to see the difference between them. So here we go. As you see, it started very fast. It's an estimated way, but it's not the real way. And as you see, it's always looking for the borders in order to get to the point. So the result is 15 seconds. So it's a little bit fast than the Dijkstra algorithm. Now let's try to change the map, and we're gonna start with the Dijkstra algorithm. So let's start. As always, we're gonna start from this point and trying to reach all the map. So the path and the blue squares, made of the blue squares, took about 5 seconds. It's a little bit fast this time because the map is a little bit easy to get. So let's start again using the A-star algorithm. So the first algorithm, the Dijkstra algorithm, took about 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and always the A star took less. So let's try a little bit uh, hard, a hard one. So let's start with the Dijkstra and let's see. So it's a little bit confusing and it's trying to reach all the cubes here and spreading in the map in order to find the red button. So it's going to take some time to get here. So here we go. It took about 22 seconds to reach this point. So keep that in mind and let's try to go with A star. 22 seconds to find the way using the Dijkstra algorithm. So we start going with the borders and as you see it's a little bit fast if we go in a horizontal way to find the path. So the result is with the A star algorithm is 19 seconds. Now let's go to another maze and let's see the difference. So we're gonna start this time with the A star. So it is very fast, 08. Let's see this map. I'm going to upload this code for you so you can play around with it. So using the A star algorithm is going to take 4 seconds to reach the destination. So thanks for being a part of this course. This is just the base of A star pathfinding. You can make your own advanced code if you want. It is just the simple code I'm using to find the way using the A star algorithm, and this is a little demo of this code. So if you have any questions, don't forget to ask and to ask for help. We are here to help you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everybody, and don't forget to support free education for everyone at all levels. Thanks so much and good night.